Hi there, Holly McKhann at a fabulous fun store on Ave Del Mar called Mikii's on Del Mar, and we are here today with Mikii of the store, Mikii Rathman, and I'm excited to bring you her and have her tell you about her wonderful shop and everything she offers. So Mikii, we're so excited to have you today.
Oh, thank you so much. It's such a thrill. San Clemente is such a fabulous town, and it's so wonderful, the, tight-knit community that we have. So it's lovely to see you. Thank you for coming.
Oh, I'm excited about this.
Yeah.
So tell us about the origin of the store and how it came about.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm a local event planner. I have a company called Neon Carrot Events, and it felt like a little bit of a natural, genesis of having always wanting a store to have a party supply store. So that's sort of how Mikii's on Del Mar happened. There was a shop here before, and they were going to no longer have their business, and I saw it one day and was like, wait a minute, that could become Mikii's on Del Mar. So, and I don't know, the universe sometimes aligns things, and it all worked out. So here we have amazing party supplies. We have really sort of unique and whimsical things that you might not find in other stores. We have a full balloon bar, so we can do an individual 11-inch balloon all the way up to those crazy big, organic balloon garlands that are fun for celebrations. And then we have all kinds of amazing gifty stuff. It really is the best place to find the perfect gift.
It is so fun. I've just taken a little bit of time and strolled through the store. It's just a treat for the eyes and the hands to pick up and smell the candles and see the things and open the fun little books. It's really fun.
Yes.
So what are some of your favorite items in the store?
Well, one of my favorite collections that we have is Jellycat, and they are a brand of plush that are just very amusable and funny. So there's like pizzas with smiley faces and little shrimps with sweaters and all kinds of fun goofy stuff from Jellycat. They have some amazing Christmas things that we'll have coming out soon, so we're really excited about that. We do a lot of greeting cards. It's really fun to find greeting cards in a lot of categories, whether they be sentimental, really funny. We carry Nora Fleming, which is a really neat collection of dishware where they all have these little kind of mini toppers, and you can swap them in and out for different holidays and occasions. So that's a lovely gift and something fun that's to collect. We have Glitterville, which is amazing and whimsical. So a lot of the fun things that you see in the store might be from Glitterville that really sort of, make you laugh and smile. There's nostalgic things that maybe you saw when you were in junior high, like the Lip Licker lip balms have been really fun. So there's a lot of different things, and I try to change it up. So there's some things that we'll always carry, and then there's other items that we try to rotate in and out just to, make it fun and interesting for our community and the people visiting San Clemente.
That's great. And right before we started filming, someone walked out with this gorgeous balloon bouquet with a big giant 20 that was like this tall.
Yes.
So all kinds of fun balloon gifts and balloon bouquets too.
Yes, yeah, lots of balloons.
So how often do you get new merchandise in? How often should someone come check it out?
Honestly, I feel like every week there's something coming, whether it's a restock of something or maybe something new. There's, I think, 5 boxes in the back right now that I need to unpack and inventory and put out on the floor. We have a lot of new books. There's some new woobles that are coming out, those learn to crochet kits that has
I've never heard of that.
Hello Kitty. So yeah, if you've ever wanted to learn to crochet, it's super easy because they start with that magic loop. So yeah, there's always something new. I feel like every week there's some kind of new something happening in here.
That's awesome. Yeah. So we're just south of Ola Vista, or do I say we're southwest of Ola Vista. So almost to the library, but not quite. So you should definitely come check it out. And what are your store hours?
We are open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then sometimes during the summer and holidays, we will stay open late if it's busy downtown.
Anything else you want to share?
No, we're just love being part of the community of San Clemente. It's an amazing small town vibe. So if you're thinking about visiting here or moving here, Holly can help you find a great spot to live, because it really is an amazing place, and we feel so fortunate to live here, to work here, and to play here. So
yes, a very relaxed vibe. It's delightful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your business with us today.
Yeah, absolutely.
And make sure you subscribe for more great information on San Clemente. Thanks for watching.
Bye.